अस्सलाम वालेकुम 10th class. Today our topic is functional group. ठीक है, from the book chapter number 11 organic chemistry, and the last topic of the chapter is the functional group. Functional group basically an atom or a group of atom or the presence of double or triple bond which determine the characteristic property of the organic compound is called its functional group. The part of the compound which determine the whole characteristics. It may be chemical, it may be physical, depend upon that atom or a group of atom or double or triple bond which determine the property of the group, that is known as the functional group. In organic chemistry we talked about the different types of the functional group. The functional group, first we talk about the functional group containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In further we study about the functional group containing nitrogen, hydrogen and carbon, and then we talk about the functional group containing carbon, hydrogen and halogens, and the last one we will discuss about the double and the triple bond. So from the book, as the book shown, and from the content of the book, we starting with the functional group containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The on the basis of that, the functional group are divided into 6 types: alcoholic group, ether linkage, aldehyde group, ketonic group, and then we will talk about the carboxylic groups and ester linkage. Okay, these are the 6 types in which the functional groups of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. First we are going to start from the alcoholic group. The first part of the organic compound, this is the simplest form of the coke group and as well as the simplest form of the functional group, containing alcohol. Alcohol means they contain oxygen and hydrogen as a functional group. This part of the group OH will show either it is the properties of the group as well as the property of that compound. The general formula will be ROH. Where we want to write a general formula, as we all know in organic chemistry we have very much choices to write the general formula. So its general formula will be ROH. R is a alkyl group, as we studied before. If we remove one hydrogen from any organic compound, it becomes a alkyl group. Like if you remove hydrogen from methane, it will become methyl. So because we are attaching one hydroxyl group with it, OH with it, so we have to remove one carbon from the methane, CH4 say we have to remove one carbon hydrogen, then it will become a methyl group, and this is known as the methyl alcohol. As we are using the functional group OH, so it is known as the alcohol. The methane will be converted by removing one hydrogen, will be converted into methyl, and this will be known as the methyl alcohol. This is the first functional group. Related to that, the other one is ether linkage. You can see the general formula is COC. Yeah, in other words, the carbon is directly attached with the oxygen is directly attached with 2 carbons. Okay, from the left side and the right side. Usually carbon needs 2 bond to complete its octet, so both carbons are directly attached with the oxygen. The general formula is ROR dash. Okay, R and R dash both are the alkyl group. They could be same, they could be different. Okay, sometimes it may be one is methyl, the other one is ethyl. One is propyl and the other one is methyl. So R and R dash are the alkyl groups. They could be same, they could be different. I am talking about a simple example, that is formaldehyde I am talking about very simple example, that is dimethyl ether. It could be ethyl methyl ether or diethyl ether, means both side could be same or both side could be different. Okay, the first one was the alcoholic group and the other one is the ether linkage. The next one is aldehyde group. Okay, aldehyde group have the functional group is COOH. The functional group is COOH. This is the structural form. It could be written in the condensed form like RCOHO. But do remember, as I have shown you in the structural formula, that C has a double bond with oxygen. If we compare it with the ether, we can see that oxygen is directly attached with 2 carbons. ठीक है. But in this case the carbon has a double bond with oxygen, यानी oxygen is directly attached with the single carbon. ठीक. RC, this is the condensed form, this is the structural form, and this is the example is formaldehyde. ठीक है. इसके अलावा acetaldehyde है. There are lot of examples. C double bond O and H and H. There is a difference. Here is carbon is directly attached with one oxygen, या one oxygen is directly attached with one carbon with double bond. But in the case of the ether, there are two oxygen attached with the two carbons. ठीक. The next one is the ketonic group. R C double bond O R dash. You can see the general formula as well as you can see that this is the functional group. ठीक है. C double bond O. Here oxygen is also directly attached with the carbon. ठीक है. Then it attached to two alkyl groups. Alkyl group could be same, could be different. Acetone, dimethyl ketone. Definitely, as we are using the functional group of ketone, so it will be known as the dimethyl ketone. ठीक. And now we talk about the next type, that is the fifth one. It is carboxylic group. We all know that we all are familiar with the carboxylic acid because there are lot of application of the carboxylic acid, not only in the form of कह लें कि in a flavoring of foods, in the bee stings, in the food we use. In a tomato there is oxalic acid, which is also a carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid is very much application in natural resources. ठीक है. And as well as in the flavoring of food we eat in the tin packed or any of things in the which are available in the market. The functional group will be show RC. If we talk about its functional group is this COOH, या इसको अक्सर जगहों पर इस तरीके से RCOOH भी लिखा होता है. ठीक है. C double bond O और OH. One carbon is directly attached with carbon and one oxygen is directly attached. One oxygen is directly attached with carbon with double bond, and the other one is OH group. That is also directly attached. We have formic acid, we have acetic acid. Very common examples. The last one of the class, carbon, ester linkage. Ester is also used for the flavoring of the fruits. ठीक है. And as a food particle. ठीक. The functional group is RCOOR. अच्छा, you can see that RCOOR dash means both sides have alkyl groups. They could be same, they could be different. Methyl acetate, ethyl acetate. There are lot of example. Shall we do from the book as well? In the book you have a table on the page number 70. You can see there is all the functional groups are written in very comprehensive form, but the alcohol is divided into primary, secondary and tertiary. If alcoholic group directly attached with one carbon, this is called a primary. If one alcoholic group is directly attached with the alcoholic group which is attached with the carbon is directly attached with two carbons. ठीक है. Alcoholic group attached with the carbon which is directly attached with two carbon, it is called secondary. If alcoholic group is attached with the carbon which is directly attached with three carbons, then it is a tertiary. उसके बाद you can see alcohol है, ethers हैं. ठीक है. Then aldehydes हैं, ketones, carboxylic acids and esters. You can compare alcohol with ether, aldehyde with ketone and carboxylic acid with esters. ठीक है. This is all about this carbon functional group containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The next functional group is containing carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. ठीक है. If the functional group contain carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen, they are known as amines. The main thing is NH2. NH2 will attach with any carbon. ठीक है. Any alkyl group that are called amine. ठीक. In the book you have three different example: methylamine, dimethylamine and trimethylamine. You can see I have written its primary, secondary and tertiary amines. If the nitrogen is directly attached with one carbon, this is called primary amine. If nitrogen directly attached with two carbons, this is called secondary amine. If the nitrogen is directly attached with three carbons, 1, 2 and 3, this is called tertiary amines. These are the functional group that containing carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. The other is functional group containing The other is the functional group containing carbon, hydrogen and halogen. Carbon, hydrogen and halogen consist of alkyl halides. This X show the halogens and it could be chlorine, bromine or iodine, and they are known as the halides. We have three types of halides: primary halides, secondary halides and tertiary halides. If the carbon attached with the if the functional group halide is attached with the carbon which is further attached with a single carbon, that is called primary halide. If the functional group halide is attached with the carbon which is further attached with two carbon, that is called secondary halide. If the functional group contain carbon which is further attached with three carbons, that is called a tertiary halide. In the book page number 71, we have a table. In the table you can see the alkyl halides have three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary consists of carbon directly attached with single carbon. Secondary consists, and we have also have the examples, class formulas and functional groups which determine the whole properties. So if any halide group, halogen group is attached with any any carbon, so we say it is as a alkyl halide. We study it as a alkyl halide. ठीक? The last functional groups are single, double and triple bonds. If I talk about single, double and the triple bonds, you know it very well. ठीक है? हम पीछे भी in the starting of the organic chemistry we talk about them. If two carbons have single bond, they are known as alkanes. If two carbons have double bond, they are known as alkenes. If two carbons are attached with triple bonds, they are known as the alkynes. ठीक है? And these are the functional groups, and these are the functional groups which determine the whole property of the organic compound. So they are really very important, and thank you for these are very